Done.
Ja.
Okay, I'm going to peel these things. I have to do it so. Don't laugh. I said I'm going to film about random things I am doing daily. So I am filming now random things I am doing daily. I'm not doing this daily, but I have to do it for my mom.